Hey guys, did you ever want to know why some people have short aerials and long aerials? Well, I'm about to tell you. So Uniden have a range of antennas for their UHF radios. Now, behind me I've got the Simon's D-Max. It's got a short aerial on it, which is a 3 dB gain. And I've got this one here, which is a 6.6 dB, and it's a long aerial. And you're sitting there going, well, I know that that one looks cool on my truck and this one looks cool on that truck, and that's about all I know. Well, I'll give you a little bit of insight into why the difference is. Okay, here we go. So basically, when I go out into the bush, we tend to go out into places like Arnhem Land, the top end of Australia, okay? And we get that really big, flat out country. Big plains, open spaces, you know, the cool stuff that you see down in the desert and also the top end of Australia. So that's where the big tall aerials here with the 6.6 dB gain are perfect. Now what does that mean? Well, basically it's the way that the signal is thrown, if that makes sense. So this being so tall, it can throw the signal further distance. But what it won't give you is it won't give you any height in that gain. And that's where we can jump onto the smaller aerial, which is perfect for that mountainous country, tight tracks, up, down, hills in front of you, all that sort of stuff. You'll get good clarity up close, and you think about it like the fact that it's short, but it creates a really strong signal close so that, you know, the vehicle in front of you can see it. All right, so it's easy to switch over between aerials. Basically, there's a threaded base down here, and they are also heavy duty. They're designed for that rough off-road terrain. It's got a heavy duty spring coil here, and they're a fiberglass antenna with an aluminium base. I'll show you how quickly they are to change over. There you go, easy as that. Now the stubby aerial is on. Now you've got that really short compact tracks, you know, up, down, hilly country, and you've got that crisp communication. So there you go. If you ever wanted to know what the go is, it's not just about the looks on your truck, it also has a meaning and helps you out getting that communication in the bush, which is very important. Trust me, because we rely on communication heavily when we're on All for Adventure.